This particular exercise on today will be over support and resistance. And so let's go ahead and begin. As you see here, price is currently in this area. And so looking at the charts, we see that it is in a bearish trend. Price is moving in a downward fashion. So, in moving in a downward fashion, we see the bearish trend. So where is price going? So that's the reason why we need our support and our resistance. So let's go ahead and draw our support lines. The support, which is the downward area here, or the lower area, which is the floor. And as you see here, price exhausted in this area. There was price rejection. And so you have 4 wicks here. 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks in this area. So price exhausted in this area, it rejected, it corrected itself, and then it began moving upward in a bullish trend. And now we have it moving downward in a bearish trend. All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw our support. So support is where we have multiple areas where basically price wicked out. You see all these wicks wicked out. And so it was price rejection in this area. So we're going to go ahead and draw our support line here. And then in this area, which is resistance, which is your ceiling. So resistance is the upper area. And it's also the area where you see price rejection here. We have 2 wicks here. And usually we could also draw a box in this area. They call it a zone. But for this exercise, we're strictly sticking with the horizontal line, okay? Because in this zone, you have multiple wicks over here as well in the left side over here. So in this area, we have 2 wicks here. So we're going to go ahead and draw our line here. And so this is the area where price is currently. And so price is moving into this area. So it's in a bearish trend. So it's moving down. So we project that price is moving down to this area. And you know, something can happen. It could be something that happens in the news, or something happens and the price can move back upward. But we will set a stop loss for that. All right. And we'll go over those terms later on in the course. But for this particular exercise, we are utilizing our skilled for support and resistance. But I want you to get used to the terminology. All right, so it's moving in a bearish trend. And so we need to enter a position. What type of position will we enter? We will enter a short position, which is a sell. All right, because we project that price will move downward to this area. And we would take profit in this area here, where we have drawn our line for support. So this support line will become our take profit area. All right, so the whole meaning behind drawing these lines is so we'll know how to make our money, how to get paid. So basically we're going to enter a short position here for a sell. So remember, our terminology, short is a sell. All right, so we're entering a short for a sell because we see that it is moving in a bearish trend going downward. So that's a sell. So we enter a short position here and we'll take profit here. All right, so let's review support and resistance. And so this is our area of support. It wicked out here. So we drew our line here. Price exhausted. And then here is our resistance. Price exhausted in this area. Price rejection. Price rejection. And so we have an area of resistance here. And then in this area, we will enter a position, which is a short position, which is a sell, and take profit down here because price is moving to this area.